Are your outlets old, dingy, or just the wrong color? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you how these Hampton Bay color caps can transform your home in just a matter of minutes. These things are really, really cool. If you've ever had a house where maybe your outlets are beige and you want to be white, or maybe you just have done an update like this with this nice cool black backsplash and you want to try to kind of mute out these outlets, before you had to go and install a whole new outlet, which is a lot of work and a little tricky and also costs a pretty penny. Now you can get these really inexpensive caps that go right over the outlet along with a new wall plate, and it will transform it, and anyone can do it. So let's take you through it step by step. Step one, make sure that you go out to your surge protector and turn off power to your outlets. Then go ahead and test it and just make sure that there's no power going to the outlets. Once you've done that, take a screwdriver. I like this handy 6-in-1, and you're just going to take off the old outlet. Now again, there should be no power here, but I still would not, I'd stay away from the contacts on the sides. And then you have this little plate, and all that does is it slaps right over the top of your old outlet. And you can take a wall plate, which is Levitron, for example, and you just slap that right over the top of it, and you screw it in. And just that easy, you have completely transformed that outlet. Now again, you can get the Hampton Bay color caps in white and change it to a white outlet if you had a different color, or you can do any other sort of neat design trick you want to do. So hope this was helpful. We do a lot of tips on this channel that help you to make your house nice and modern for a very easy DIY project. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great home how-to. And remember, all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. I'll link this down in the description if you want to check out this product for yourself. 2 thumbs up from Mr. Greg. Also, I did test it, and it only takes up a tiny, tiny bit. It's very thin, and it plugs right back in when everything else works just fine, just like new. And since it's from Hampton Bay, I assume it's a very safe product. So, reputable company, cool fix. Thanks for watching.